I made this video just to show you that there are people out there that want to buy their product and they want you to buy very special tools. You don't need any special tools. You don't need to go to a jeweler. Look at this for laptops. Look at all the different sizes and proprietary connectors. You know, they always do one thing. They give a DC voltage. One on the positive on the inside, negative on the other, and sometimes it's switched. But they don't need all these different connectors. Same thing with this watch. For this watch is so expensive, you can buy a quality iPhone and it'll do oh so much more than just tell you what time it is. Half the time, I don't even care what time it is. So, what do you need to do to change the battery when these things go dead? They have this tool, and it's got little knobbies on it and adjusters, and you put them in all these little detents in here, and they lock in there, and then you can unscrew this like a big cap. We don't have to do here. Actually, for this one, you need some very unquality tools. The difference of an unquality tool is if you were to buy something like this from Snap-on, it'd probably be about $125. And these got such nice grips on them, and they're just fantastic. And I think this is about $6 or $7. So if you know how to use tools, you won't need how to buy Snap-on. Snap-on has some good specialty tools, but there you go, specialty tools. But for this kind of stuff, this is Craftsman. So what you do is you find needle nose pliers. I guess these are about 3.5 inches. And what you do is I stretched a little too far. The spring is, yeah, I could put that spring back in. That's because I maximally spread these out. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that these fit inside the detent, and you just want to fit inside the other detent. I hope you can see that well. So I always lay down cloths, a t-shirt, fold it a couple times. You don't want to scratch the face on this thing. So you put it down. You don't have to take the band off or spend $20 in Amazon special jeweler tools. Here's your special jeweler tool. You put this in here, get one side that just fits there. You just want to catch this edge and the edge over here. Don't apply too much pressure. All you do is you should put it down. You want to feel it catch where it can't catch no more. And you just want to, it's starting to move. That's all. Just take your time. Do it again. You don't have to change this length or width of the pliers, because it's the same all the way around. That's all. And it won't slip. There you go. You're taking the cap off. Now, don't laugh if I undo this thing. It does say it's made in Japan, so there might be like springs popping out here. I've never done this job before. And if there is, this isn't my son. This isn't my watch. It's my son's. It was given to him because he was in a wedding party. And if I break it, I'm in big trouble. So let's see here. It's all, oh, look at it. Look how many turns it took to get out of there. So we lift it straight up. Oh my gosh. Look at this inside. You know what? I respect the Japanese population so well. Look at this. You look at this thing and you think, wow, this is a heavy quality watch. It's probably lead, and they made it big, bulky, and heavy, but look at what the watch really is on the inside. That little tiny little, that's it. Nothing special. I'll buy those over in China for probably 25 cents, maybe $1. And that's all it is. We're going to change that battery in there. We're going to see what size it is. I'm going to order it. Or maybe go to the store and get one, depending how quick they want. And let's see. It seems like it is a Sony. I can't see the SR626SW. That's all. It's a button cell battery. That's the size. Go look for it, and go get it done. Nothing to it. My favorite Japanese story in China is they have their population, and one of the things that they have wrong over there, or that's going bad, is their garbage. And they didn't know what to do with it, and there's so much garbage. And they actually came up with the idea, you can fact check this on Google, they started making toys out of their garbage, melting them down, making toys out of them, put a pair of some paint on it or whatever, wheels or whatever, and they were selling it to us. So in essence, they were selling us their garbage. They used to have to pay for their garbage. Now, all they have to do is sell us a toy, and they got rid of their garbage. They tricked us into paying for their garbage. Fact check that. See ya.